Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep look at the HP OmniBook Ultra Flip 14, a premium 2-in-1 convertible that aims to combine power, portability, and a stunning OLED display. Let's see how it performs in real-world use. Make design and build. The design of the OmniBook Ultra Flip 14 is sleek and modern. HP uses an all-metal chassis that feels premium, yet the device remains lightweight at around 1.34 kilograms. Thanks to its 360-degree hinge, you can easily switch between laptop, tent, and tablet modes, ideal for work, media consumption, or note-taking. The build quality is solid, the hinge feels durable, and the flip mechanism is smooth. Users on Reddit appreciate the design, but some mention small software glitches. Display. The OmniBook's display is one of its standout features. A 14-inch 2.8K OLED touchscreen with a resolution of 2800 by 1800. It supports an adaptive refresh rate from 48 Hz to 120 Hz and claims a super fast 0.2 millisecond response time. The panel covers 100% DCI-P 3-color gamut and can reach up to 500 nits of brightness in HDR mode. In practical use, the OLED produces deep blacks, vivid colors, and excellent contrast, especially great for watching movies, editing photos, or creative work. That said, the glossy finish can be quite reflective, making it a bit harder to use in bright outdoor settings. Performance and AI capabilities. Under the hood, the OmniBook Ultra Flip 14 is powered by Intel Core Ultra processors, depending on the model. For example, the Ultra 9288 volts. It's equipped with LPDDR5X RAM, up to 32 gigabytes on some variants, and fast PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage in certain configurations. For graphics, it uses Intel Arc integrated graphics, which is significantly more powerful than older integrated solutions. You can do light gaming or creative tasks, but it's not meant for high-end DOA gaming. Importantly, this model supports AI features. There's an NPU, neural processing unit, inside, enabling Copilot Plus functionality for local AI tasks and offline AI processing. According to ITWire, this enables things like local AI computation, and HP's AI Companion brings more intelligent workflows. In day-to-day multitasking, web browsing, video calls, document editing, performance is very smooth. Keyboard, trackpad, and webcam. The keyboard is full-size and backlit, making it comfortable to type on for long sessions. The trackpad is haptic feedback, large and responsive, though some users say it's very sensitive. For video calls, there's a 9-megapixel infrared webcam with good quality, and HP includes studio-style features via software. Facial recognition, Windows Hello, is also supported. Audio comes from a quad speaker system. According to reviews, the sound is decent for a thin convertible, but bass is limited. Battery life and charging. Battery life is a mixed bag. HP advertises up to 16 hours and 15 minutes, thanks to the 64 watt-hour battery. In real tests, trusted reviews measured around 14 hours and 45 minutes, and they used a 65-watt USB-C charger for fast charging. Reddit users, however, report significantly lower battery life in daily use, some getting only 4 to 6 hours depending on usage and power settings. That gap may come from things like HDR usage, high brightness settings, or background apps. On the bright side, fast charging gets you to about 50% in roughly 45 minutes. Let connectivity and build features. In terms of connectivity, the OmniBook Ultra Flip 14 has 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports. There's no USB-A or HDMI, so if you need legacy ports or external displays, you may need dongles. Wireless tech is very modern. It comes with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring fast and stable connections. The build also supports Windows Hello and fingerprint login, giving you secure and convenient sign-in options. Pros and cons. Pros. Gorgeous 2.8K OLED touchscreen with 120 Hz and deep contrast, powerful and efficient. Intel Core Ultra Performance plus ARC graphics, AI-enabled with NPU and Copilot Plus support, lightweight, high-quality build with 2-in-1 flexibility, fast charging, and relatively long battery life in some tests. Cons: glossy display can be reflective, especially outdoors. Limited port selection, no USB-A or HDMI. Real-world battery life may not match HP's claims. RAM is soldered, no upgrades possible. Some users report software bugs and pre-installed bloatware. So, should you buy the HP OmniBook Ultra Flip 14? If you want a premium 2-in-1 with a stunning OLED screen, modern AI capabilities, and solid all-day productivity, it's a very strong choice. But if battery life or port flexibility is your top priority, or you need a machine for heavy gaming, you may want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's a sleek, future-focused convertible for power users and creators. Thanks for watching this full review. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments.